Hey everybody, Greg Flaherty here with Penny Realty. If you own San Diego real estate and you're a landlord, I'm sorry to say there's some not so great news coming your way, and that's compliments of the city of San Diego. So I'm here today to tell you all about it right now. Okay, so there's 3 new revisions coming to the current landlord-tenant laws here in San Diego and what the city's about to adopt. So of course, they're all in favor of the tenant. Here's rule change number 1. Currently, you can give a tenant a 60-day notice to vacate if you want to do a substantial remodel. But with the new law, there's going to be no option at all to terminate a tenancy if you want to do a remodel. So one side note that you should keep in mind here, though, is if your property is severely under market, the only way you can raise the rent to true market value is to have a vacancy. So, and we know market rents right now are at an all-time high. So without a vacancy, the current maximum rent increase is 9.1%. However, some properties are exempt. If you want to know if your property is exempt, give me a call. It's kind of too complex for a video like this. All right, rule change number 2. An owner that wishes to move into their home or move an immediate family member into their property is going to need to provide a 90-day notice. It's currently 30 to 60-day notice. All right, and then lastly, rule change number 3. If you want to withdraw your units from the rental market, and this includes selling, then you must provide a 6-month notice. And that's currently a 60-day notice. So it's kind of a big deal because some owners want to sell soon because they want to take advantage of the historically high sales prices that we have right now. So that could kind of kill their plans or slow them down. Also keep in mind these laws, they're stricter than the laws for the state of California. Right now the city's voted and they've approved this law, but since this is not considered an emergency, the city has to go back for a second round of votes. But it's widely believed that this new ordinance is going to be approved and in effect very soon. Okay, all for now. Thanks for listening.